Ready to automate your life without spending a dime? N8n's Community Edition offers a powerful, no-cost entry point into the world of automation. Though with some limitations we will cover in this guide, let's explore what it can do for you. The free version provides you with essential trigger nodes like webhooks and manual triggers so you can initiate your workflows. You can set up a webhook to kick things off when something happens in another app, or simply trigger it manually. For action nodes, you have access to a wide range of integrations including email, Google Sheets, and Slack. Letting you connect to the tools you probably already use. These nodes allow you to perform tasks such as sending notifications, updating spreadsheets, and posting messages. Data privacy is important, and you can manage sensitive information securely using environment variables. This ensures things like API keys and passwords are kept safe and are not directly exposed in your workflows. Now, let's talk limitations. The free version may have restrictions on the number of executions per month and lacks some of the advanced team collaboration features available in paid tiers. Keep this in mind as you scale your automations. But don't worry, N8n's community is incredibly supportive. You'll find extensive documentation, helpful tutorials, and an active forum where you can get answers to your questions. With a little creativity, you can build powerful small-scale automations to streamline your tasks and boost your productivity. So enjoy automating with the free version of N8n.